job? It is the single most pressing question in the modern workforce. Over the last 2 years, we have watched generative algorithms scale globally at a breakneck pace. Companies like Google, Microsoft, and OpenAI have moved far beyond testing these tools in isolated research labs. They have deeply integrated them into the server architecture and software ecosystems that run daily operations worldwide. This transition is a present-day reality, engineered by the world's largest corporations and embedded into the tools we use every hour. And the math reflecting this shift is stark. Recent labor reports project that millions of positions face severe disruption within the next few years. Yet much of the global workforce is still operating in a comfortable before state. Many traditional legacy office cultures remain entirely unprepared for the sheer velocity of automated systems coming online. If your daily routine relies heavily on legacy software without utilizing new algorithmic tools, the countdown on the relevance of your role has already started. To understand which careers survive, we map this spectrum: the danger zone of highly automatable work on the left and the growth zone on the right. Zooming into the danger zone, we find roles like data entry, high-volume customer support, and standard clerical work. The defining characteristic of these jobs is they are built entirely on routine, predictable, and repetitive tasks. Large language models and automation scripts are specifically designed to identify, map, and flawlessly mimic these exact types of closed cognitive loops. Once an AI maps a routine, it executes it fractions of a second faster, at a vastly reduced cost to the employer, and with a near-zero error rate compared to human typing. That gives us a definitive rule for the left side of the spectrum. Any career that relies heavily on mechanical repetition is a primary target for algorithmic replacement. But the destruction of routine actively creates a massive vacuum for new high-value work on the exact opposite side of the spectrum. Over in the growth zone, we see a spike in demand for AI operators, technical content creators, and system specialists. These roles are safe from automation because neural networks still require constant human creativity, contextual direction, and strict strategic management to yield usable results. When a human directly guides a machine learning tool, the resulting output massively scales beyond what either could produce alone. In the growth zone, artificial intelligence acts as a force multiplier that increases a worker's output, rather than an autonomous force that eliminates it. So we circle back to the core question: is this technology a looming threat or an expansion of human potential? The data shows it is firmly both. It aggressively punishes stagnation while rewarding human adaptability. This suggests an economy where value is moving away from the individual execution of tasks and toward the high-level management of the systems that perform them. Proactive upskilling is the literal mechanism you use to drag your career out of the danger zone and reposition it where the leverage is highest. AI itself is unlikely to walk into your office and take your job, but a human using AI absolutely will replace the human who refuses to adapt. Take a hard look at your own daily tasks. Are you spending most of your hours tracing predictable loops, or are you managing complex strategy? Where do you currently sit on the vulnerability spectrum? We want to hear your read on the data. Do you believe this technology will ultimately provide the tools for better human work, or is it a net harm to the labor force? Drop your opinion in the comments below. To stay informed on the shifting job market and the viral tech trends driving it, make sure you follow the channel. The digital landscape is shifting by the hour, and staying informed is the first critical step to staying relevant. Thanks for watching.